Sometimes I want to look for bear because we're by wetlands. Alright, here we go, bitches. Tweet, tweet, ski! And we're off! Oh, shh. Don't scare the bears. Look for bear evidence. Did you say moose too?
Baby moose.
Oh my gosh.
It'll have a little line in the middle.
Oh, honey, let's go see what it could possibly be. Those aren't human. Alright, I'm looking for digging and claw marks. I never find any bear poop. Alright, we're going to Lee's Pond. That'd be so awesome if something was drinking. Bears don't like noise and all this stuff, which is why you never see them, because they avoid it. Moose, meanwhile, don't give a fuck. If a moose wants to drink at that bog, it's gonna go drink at that bog.
Yeah.
A bear will avoid it.
Auntie, there's two different trails,
Right.
that way or that way.
Follow the blue. The yellow just goes from one side of the blue.
Not seeing any.
How long is an hour?
What is this? A full-ass cocoon, Ron. A whole one. I've never seen a whole one either.
Wow. What is
Cool. Yeah, they're outside of it. Don't go.
It's a hive.
I didn't know it was a hive.
It's not a cocoon, it's a hive.
It's a hive. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Wow, full-on beehive. Shit. That's what they look like. Dang, that is so cool.
Everything's so intricate.
It's like paper machete. Wow. And I'm really interested in the secret life of bees. Bees are fascinating.
They're so pretty.
They really, they're pretty, yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. Alright. Got my trail cam. Very cool. Rocks are so cool. I fucking love rocks. Rocks rock so much they boulder. Oh, that is the pond. If a bear comes up to you, you fight it like a person.
If you're doing wrestling?
Yep. Punch it, kick it.
Oh, should I use this?
That won't stop it. This will stop it, because it could break that.
Or I could like bite it.
But they say don't act like a pussy around a bear.
What?
Don't act like, ooh, scared around the bear. You want the bear. Yep. You want the bear to think you're tough. Alright, here we are. Yes, honey.
I can sense your fear and I'm gonna really attack you.
Yep. You know who can especially sense your fear? Dogs.
Oh, but you do look at
Mm-hmm.
act strong. Don't panic.
That's right. And you want to act big. If a bear comes near you, go do this. Whoa! Right? Put your hands big up. Show me. Show me. Okay.
No, look.
Yep. And you don't act scared, even if you are. Remember, brown, lay down. Black, fight back.
But wherever you are, just lie down.
Yep. You want to do the honors, honey? I like this one. It's an actual tree. Look at this little bridge. Yes, look for prints in the mud for sure. I see some. Yep. Something stepped in there. I just don't know what it could have been.
I've seen little marks through the entire trail so far. Definitely a fire animal. Oh, what a cute bird.
There's another print over there. What?
No, it's still good.
We gotta get in there, There it is. There's Lee's Pond. It's like a way to the pond.
I really want like a bench to sit at.
Oh, that's what boulders and trees are for.
Can we stop?
Oh yeah, let's get right around here so we can find an entrance to the pond. Yeah, I don't know if we were by a fox den, because those are stinky, or if it was a bear, you never know. I love you, you're so cute. In memory of Bob Neighbors, enjoy the pond he loved.
Aww.
That's nice. Whoa, this tree's been through it. Dang, dude. You've really seen better days.
Oh, how did that happen?
Dang. He's all
Mended back together.
like half a tree. He's been through it.
Still like kind of growing.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Grew through what she went through. Look at him.
Adore.
Big sister.
Yep. Adorable. I found a real path. Oh, what is this? Oh. Alright then. There's a path through the woods to you guys. Oh, there's a huge ass lodge over here.
1,000 footer.
It's like an 800 footer. Huh. I'm gonna Google it. And then it's gonna say 792 feet. And I'm gonna go, whoa! That's a nice house, sir.
Mama, can you Google walking directions?
I hope your wife doesn't nag you.
Mama, I just want to see how many minutes I was in the car.
A little deer prancing along, singing a song. Oh yes, this deer was prancing along, thinking about food and berries and shit. Well, look at what this woodpecker did. Shit! What a wicked fucking job. Look at his work. The tree, shit. It's adorable. Yeah, I'm telling, because remember Ossipee Volcanic Range? Moultonborough is like Ossipee's best friend. I'm telling you, the volcanic rocks, yeah. Yeah, that one shattered and just fell right there. That's so cool. Yep, I got claw marks. Here we are. The bears must sit here. Oh my god, cute. Something should totally live in there.
Like a little chunky.
Like it fell out. I bet this chunk that fell is right here. Neat.
These are more like this chunk. Look at these are all.
Yeah, it's wicked shattery rock, dude. Wow. Yeah, like is that the beaver house?
They pretty deep, I think.
Well, they did a very good job. You're gonna look just like your mom. Oh, is this your sister? Hi. It's some cool. How did it grows hair by hair? How did nature know to form a circle that it would form a perfect? I don't understand it.
There.
It is really cute. Now I gotta be like, what is a black with white dot bird?
I see them now. Oh.
Now the birds gotta raise their voices to talk to each other over the human traffic, which leads me to believe they're gonna evolve to have like thicker vocal cords, and eventually their songs are gonna sound different. Makes sense? There's a bridge, and we did not pass a bridge on the way here. What is happening? Oh my god, I gotta go swimming. Like dying. I'm just gonna complain the whole time. Don't fucking tell me those are the falls. fucking tell me. That's hilarious. Ow. They're like swerving over there. It's weird. Oh my god, we gotta walk 2/10 of a mile.
Yeah, that's where it said you have to take the road and then go back without walking the road.
Oh, I don't understand what you're saying.